So we require to identify what activity you are feeling very happy to do. What activity we are getting more money. By doing that, we are getting more money. Such a type of quadrant is called the production. Your zone of genius. Your zone of genius, you are getting more money. You are feeling very happy to do that. You require to spend more time there. Compulsory, you require to spend more time there. Okay, like right work gives energy and money. Gives energy, money, happiness. All these things by default will be there if you are going to spend on your production. That's why you have to spend more time in the production area. Zone of genius, ikigai. Okay, that you require to identify. There you require to spend more time. Low value task, delegate, replace. Next, some time you require to spend in your investment area also. Okay, this is a drip matrix, really wonderful concept. Okay, if you consider Ikigai series, the circle is called Ikigai. He explained Ikigai style. Okay, there is another thing is there, zone of genius. Zone of genius. Okay, like here the concept is called drip matrix. All the things are always the same, man. For while doing which activity you are feeling very happy. While doing which activity you are feeling more energetic. While doing which activity you will get more money. Identify that activity, spend more time only on that activity. That is what production zone. That is what your zone of genius. That is what your ikigai. That's what you should aware.